Hello, this will just be the short video for Team Spritzkuchen, and we're pretty much going to go over our deliverable 3 and what we have been doing and what have we decided on. So, first off, in our reflections, pretty much everyone is doing their work uh, pretty much ahead of time, and if not, it's exactly on time. And for things that went well, a lot of things actually, everyone was able to take their feedback and pretty much uh, update their portion of the project that they completed beforehand, and now to make it just a bit better. What can you improve on for next deliverable? It's pretty much saying that pretty much just keep the pace that we have. So keep our current team qualities. We're pretty good at communicating. Continue to use the feedback, the great feedback we get from the other from our reviewers. We're thankful for them. Any problems? Not too many, just a few people, including myself, not being able to make meetings, but we'll still be able to keep in contact. And our plan for deliverable 4 is to apply feedback that we receive from our peers. All right. And here's our individual reflections and what we did. Meeting overview. And I'll just get straight to the designs. So here's activity challenge sequence diagram. Next is add challenge to system sequence diagram. Next is, I believe this is a domain class model. I'm sorry, very hard for me to remember just the terminology for each diagram. Here's the activity diagram for manage challenge for the participant. Up next, another sequence diagram for join team participant. And here's this diagram as well. I believe this was the system class model. Yeah, okay. All right, here we go. There's another diagram here. All right, here's our UI. So here's initial, already joined, unable to join, challenge started, unable to join, verifying payment. Then payment method decline shows these options, or screens, I should say. And it continues on, and it gets a little bit harder to read from here. Sorry about that. And of course, here is our persona, and I'll let you do the reading, but that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what we decided on. And given any feedback, we'll pretty much update it as given.